Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install processing on your Mac. The first step is to open up a web browser. I'm going to open up Chrome by hitting Command Space to pull up Spotlight and starting to type its name, Google Chrome. You can also use Firefox, Safari, or whatever web browser you would like. In your web browser, you should go to processing.org/download, and I'll include that link in the description as well. On the download page here, you should select the operating system, which for this computer is Mac OS X, and clicking on this link will start the download. You'll notice that the download has started, and it's also taken us to this donation page. Processing wants you to donate because it's free, but it costs money to make. If you'd like to donate, you can follow these links. However, you're under no obligation to do so. You can just ignore this. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to ignore it. You can see my download is just about done. If yours hasn't finished yet, go on ahead and pause the video and come back when the download's finished, and I can show you what to do next. On this computer, the download is done, so I'm going to open it. I could open it by clicking here, but I'm also going to show you that you can open it from Downloads over here. So in Downloads, just click on it, just a single click. That will open up Archive Utility to unzip it. Once the file's been unzipped, it'll be runnable as an application. So hopefully you can see here and also in Downloads, there's now a new file called Processing, which is an application. If you double click on it, that will allow you to run it. Now when I run processing for the first time, there's a different message depending on your computer's settings. So on this computer, the settings are set up so you're not allowed to run processing. And I'm going to show you in a second how to get around that. However, if your settings are different, you might see a message which looks a little bit like this. If you see a message like this that gives you the option to either cancel or open, just click on Open and you are good to go. If you see this message though, and it doesn't let you open it, I'm going to show you how to work around it right now so you can run processing. First, we have to hit OK to close this message. The next step is to go into System Preferences. I have it here, but you can also find it by opening Spotlight with Command Space and typing in System Preferences. In System Preferences, you want to select Security and Privacy right here. And in order to change these settings, you have to first go to the bottom and click the lock to make changes, like it says. In the dialog that pops up, you'll want to enter your login password, whatever you use to log into this computer, and hit Enter or click on Unlock. Now we can change the settings. So on this computer, the settings are set so you can only run programs from the App Store. However, processing does not want to pay the money to be on the App Store. If you just change the setting to Mac App Store and Trusted Developers, Identified Developers, you'll be able to run processing. This is set up so that you can use Mac App Store apps and also apps that Apple has verified are safe. Processing is safe as verified by Apple. I'm going to now close out of this, having changed that setting, and try running it again. This time when I double click on processing, hopefully we'll see the other dialog box and be able to just hit Open to run it. So once the file finishes verifying, you can select Open to open it. Hopefully you'll only have to do this the first time you run it. And then back here, you can see the splash screen loading up. In a second, we'll see the window. As a nice convenience, if you want to keep it on your dock here, you can right-click on Processing, go to Options, and select Keep in Dock. And that will allow you to open it from the dock, even if it's not currently open. We've successfully made it to a processing window. Congrats on installing it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a fun time learning how to code in processing.